and with me Shirley here, and today I'm gonna review what I'm gonna eat for my lunch, and it's specially prepared from my friend Chef Yas. And yeah, I can't wait to test his food now. And if you guys wanna order from him, I'll put his Instagram username in my description box below. You just go there and click it and DM him. It's very nice. I'm gonna review it now and let's get started. See, there's my name. Ta-da. Yeah. Oh, it smells so nice. Wait. In the plastic, I already can smell it so nice. And if you guys want to know what did I ordered butter chicken because it's my favorite. My favorite. Yes, I love butter chicken a lot. I still remember when I was like primary school, I always sneak out the school to get butter chicken for co-curriculum activities. So yeah, see you guys wanna. See, it's so nice. You know what? I'm always struggling in opening something. I don't know why. Okay, the sayur. Sayur jatuh. Okay, let me put back the sayur. Okay. It smells so nice, so good. I'm so hungry. It's already 1:30. Can I just take a thumbnail? See my food from Chef Yas. So if you guys want a good food like mine today, check out his Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna test it now. Oh my god, it's so well prepared. I like how do we put it. It tastes so good. It tastes so good. The portion is big, so I'm not sure if I can finish it. Heaven. Food is heaven. Tastes so nice, so good. Like it's not too oily. Chicken size, how they cut the chicken size is good. The rice is steamed well. It's so nice. It tastes so good. I don't usually review food, but like, because I run out of content, and also I want to support my friend for his small business during this MCO. So you guys should check it out, and it's very cheap actually. It tastes so good. I'm gonna order again from him. There's other food I think. Okay, so I'm gonna eat fish. Because when I eat, I don't really like to talk, I think. Later I tercekik. So I eat fish, okay? Catch up with you guys in a bit. Look, there's banana leaf. I said, let me see, there's banana leaf. assignment yesterday. I finished my quiz, and today I'll be editing this video. And then I'm gonna cover 1 or 2 lectures. My rice is finishing soon. My chicken still left a lot. I'm not sure what to do with the chicken, but like I think I will store it later. I can jadikan snack. So good. Shout out to Chef Josh, and I will definitely try other of his meal again. I will let you guys know what he have, or you guys can check it on his Instagram if you guys want. I can put his username on my description box below. Just click it there. It tastes so good. What have you guys been doing? Like for the entire March till end of May. Since it's MCO, since it's like lockdown. But I think the situation getting a lot better. Like shops are open, shopping malls are reopened, and things are slightly get better. Just let me know in the comment section below what do you guys do, and I would love to read your comment. drinks in my fridge. Finish. I like the chicken, but I'm too full. Finish entire my rice. Let me get some drinks and I'll come back. I got my drinks. Woo. It is so cold. I have a sensitive teeth. Can't take two cold at once. Sometimes I eat ice cream, I bite the ice cream, right? I can feel like it's freezing. I have to like that. Okay, so I think I should end my video here because I don't want it to be too long and this time will be a very short one. I hope you guys enjoy my video today, and for those who want to check out Yash Food, I can put his Instagram down below. I'll put his Instagram link below. You guys just go there and click it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. But please do give me a subscribe, like, comment, and share my video with lots of love, and I would love to see you guys in my next video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.